My name's Craig Wilson. I'm the Ship 2 Assistant Project Manager on the QEC class programme. I work for BAE Systems. We've been working on the carrier project for only a few months now. I'm relatively new into it, so that's been an exciting opportunity to join Ship 2 and get ready for the blocks which will be coming into assembly later this year. So we're putting together, well, how are we going to manage that process, how are we going to track that process and learn the lessons from Ship 1, while also taking advantage of the new opportunities we've got on Ship 2. The most exciting part is when I come in every day and see the size of the ship, see the size of the Goliath crane. I mean, Ship 1's the nice scale model one-to-one reference for Ship 2, so it's exciting seeing the progress that the guys are making here in Rosyth and seeing how we'll replicate that come later this year. I genuinely feel that the carrier is one of the best examples of manufacturing, engineering and cooperation that we've got in the UK. Technologically speaking, it's going to be so impressive to see these things go out to sea and then see the benefits that they're going to realise once they're accepted and in the Navy's hands. I've seen some of the technology in use actually before I even joined the carrier project. When I was down in New Malden, they had a Viz room down there, so it's a lot of screens around as the Apex Theatre. And so I've sat on what was a visualisation of what the flight deck would look like and seen computer generated planes take off. So now to be up here in Rosyth and to be able to go onto the flight deck eventually and see it real, I can actually imagine what it's going to look like, and I saw that years ago. Effectively we can visualise and see the repercussions of decisions that we're going to be making in the design stage before we're committing into cut and steel. It's going to be such an exciting time when Queen Elizabeth actually goes out to sea. I've experienced it with smaller ships. All the work that goes into it, it's this real focal point for everyone on the programme. But it's really fantastic because you see the ship come to life, and it's not just a construction project or a manufacturing project. You see the ship take form and you can then envision how it's going to be used once it is accepted by the Navy. And when that happens with Ship 1 and Ship 2, that's going to be just, so it's just going to be fantastic. Queen Elizabeth carriers will be a great example of British engineering and British resolve to work through what is a very complex and tough project and ultimately to deliver it to excellent quality. It feels very exciting and very strange still when you see the newspaper and then be like, oh, that's what I work on. And so there's a great sense of pride and then kind of obligation, but it's like a positive pressure that you have to perform to and respond to. That the fact that everyone can see it, and that's a great kind of, well, point of pride and a bit of an ego boost as well.